Best AI business to start if you're beginners. In the fast-evolving landscape of technology and business, the incorporation of artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a game-changer, opening up a world of opportunities for entrepreneurs. If you're a beginner looking to enter the exciting realm of AI, you've come to the right place. The AI revolution for beginners. The AI revolution is nothing short of a technological renaissance, reshaping industries, economies, and societies across the globe. As a beginner in the world of AI entrepreneurship, it's essential to grasp the fundamental shifts taking place. AI encompasses a wide spectrum of technologies that enable machines to perform tasks that traditionally required human intelligence. Machine learning, one of the most prominent AI subfields, empowers computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time, making it a cornerstone of many AI applications. Understanding the AI landscape involves recognizing the diversity of AI applications, from chatbots and recommendation systems to autonomous vehicles and medical diagnostics. For beginners, it's paramount to start with a solid foundation in AI fundamentals. This can be achieved through online courses, tutorials, and AI communities, allowing you to gain proficiency in programming languages like Python and familiarize yourself with libraries and frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. AI consulting and advisory services. Launching an AI consulting and advisory business as a beginner is an ideal way to capitalize on your AI knowledge and contribute to the broader adoption of AI technology. Companies across various sectors are eager to harness AI's transformative potential, but many lack the in-house expertise to navigate this complex terrain. As an AI consultant, you can bridge this gap by offering your insights, guidance, and actionable strategies. The first key aspect to consider when entering the AI consulting arena is niche selection. You can focus on specific industries, such as healthcare, finance, or manufacturing, or offer specialized services, like natural language processing, NLP solutions, or computer vision applications. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants represent a highly accessible and versatile AI business option for beginners. These applications leverage natural language processing (NLP) and machine learning algorithms to interact with users, answer questions, and perform tasks autonomously. The beauty of chatbots and virtual assistants lies in their broad range of potential use cases across industries. For beginners, building and offering AI chatbot solutions can be an excellent starting point. You can begin with simple chatbots designed for tasks like customer support or appointment scheduling and gradually expand your capabilities. Creating chatbots typically involves using chatbot development platforms or frameworks like Dialogflow, Microsoft Bot Framework, or open-source libraries like Raza. AI-driven e-commerce solutions. E-commerce is a thriving industry, and AI has become a driving force behind its growth and innovation. As a beginner in the AI business landscape, venturing into AI-driven e-commerce solutions presents a lucrative opportunity. AI can enhance various aspects of e-commerce, including product recommendations, customer experience optimization, inventory management, and fraud detection. A beginner can start by developing AI-powered product recommendation engines. These engines analyze user behavior, purchase history, and browsing patterns to provide personalized product recommendations, increasing the likelihood of conversion and customer satisfaction. Implementing recommendation algorithms can be done using popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, making it accessible for those with limited technical experience. AI in content creation and marketing. Content creation and marketing are pivotal aspects of modern businesses, and AI offers innovative solutions to streamline and enhance these processes. For beginners looking to enter the AI business arena, specializing in AI-driven content creation and marketing tools can be a promising avenue. One compelling AI application in this domain is AI-generated content. Natural language processing models like GPT-3 have demonstrated remarkable capabilities in generating human-like text. Entrepreneurs can develop AI-powered content generators that assist writers, marketers, and businesses in creating blog posts, articles, product descriptions, and even social media captions. These tools can significantly boost productivity and creativity, while reducing the time and effort required for content creation. AI-enhanced healthcare solutions. The healthcare industry is ripe for AI-driven innovation, making it an attractive sector for beginners venturing into AI entrepreneurship. AI's potential in healthcare extends to areas such as diagnostics, patient care, drug discovery, and administrative tasks. A promising AI business idea for beginners is the development of AI-driven diagnostic tools. These tools can assist healthcare professionals in interpreting medical images, such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, with higher accuracy and speed. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and deep learning algorithms can be used to build image recognition systems that detect anomalies, assisting in the early diagnosis of diseases like cancer or identifying fractures. AI in education and e-learning. Education and e-learning have witnessed a significant transformation through the integration of AI technologies. Entrepreneurs, including beginners, can capitalize on this trend by developing AI-powered solutions for educators, students, and lifelong learners. A beginner's entry into the AI business in education can involve creating AI-driven tutoring and personalized learning platforms. These platforms utilize AI algorithms to assess students' strengths and weaknesses, adapting the learning materials and pace accordingly. AI tutors can provide real-time feedback and support to students, enhancing their understanding of complex subjects and improving academic performance. AI-enabled retail and customer experience. The retail industry has witnessed a significant transformation with the integration of AI-driven technologies. Entrepreneurs, including beginners, can tap into this dynamic sector by creating AI-enabled solutions that enhance the retail customer experience. AI-driven recommendation engines are a compelling entry point for beginners. These engines analyze customer behavior, purchase history, and preferences to provide personalized product recommendations. Entrepreneurs can develop recommendation algorithms that integrate seamlessly with e-commerce websites, mobile apps, and brick-and-mortar retail stores, increasing sales and customer satisfaction. AI in financial services and fintech. The financial services sector has embraced AI with open arms, offering ample opportunities for entrepreneurs, including beginners, to create AI-powered solutions that enhance efficiency, security, and customer experiences. One compelling AI business idea for beginners is the development of AI-powered financial advisory platforms. These platforms use machine learning algorithms to analyze customers' financial data, assess risk profiles, and provide personalized investment recommendations. By automating portfolio management and investment strategies, these AI-driven platforms offer cost-effective financial advice. AI in agriculture and agtech. The agriculture sector is undergoing a digital transformation, driven by AI and agtech solutions. Beginners looking to make a meaningful impact while exploring AI entrepreneurship can focus on creating AI-driven solutions that address the unique challenges of agriculture and food production. One compelling AI business idea for beginners is precision agriculture solutions. These solutions leverage AI and data analytics to optimize crop management, increase yields, and reduce resource wastage. Entrepreneurs can develop AI-powered platforms that analyze satellite imagery, weather data, soil quality, and crop health to provide actionable insights to farmers. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.